Hey, what's up, guys? This is Khushi Motwani. Happy Monday, everyone. Today, I'm going to share with you two biggest lessons that I have learned during this COVID time. Maybe you will be able to connect with them. So, let's begin. The first lesson that I have learned is you cannot be happy until and unless you feel gratitude towards the things that you already have. Things such as going out and having a conversation over coffee with your friend, or going from one place to another place, bumping into your family and friends house to watch movies, or cracking these weird jokes or laughters at office canteen, and all these small things that actually made us so happy, but we never realize their importance until we don't have them anymore. In this situation also, when our lives have turned upside down because of COVID, there are so many things that you can feel grateful for instance, take your body, like it's functioning perfectly, your organs are all good, digestive system is working fine, your limbs are all good. Think about people who do not have all these things. Suppose if you go and meet a person who's on a wheelchair and you ask him that I'm ready to fulfill one of your wish for 2 days, what do you think he will ask for? Do you think he'll tell you that I want to be richest person on the earth, or maybe I want somebody who can really love and care for me? Of course not. He will tell you that he wants his legs back so that he can feel the ground, so that he can feel that how it feels when you run and be on your own without any support. And it will be like getting life back for him, that would bring tremendous joy and happiness just because he got his leg back, right? So now when we have it, like when we have and these things are working properly, we don't feel grateful for them. And when we lose them, then all of a sudden when we start feeling so much for things. So whenever I go into a deep negative emotions where I feel stuck, or maybe I feel that I lack something in my life, I just make myself remember that I still have so many things that no amount of money and love can buy for me. And I feel so much gratitude and grateful for having these things that matters a lot to me. So this completely shift your perspective, because see, ultimately, think about a person whom you are giving so much and they never feel satisfied, and they are expecting more and more from you. So what you will feel about it, that no matter what I do for him or her, that person is always unhappy. So this is what universe feel for you when you do not feel grateful for what it has given you, rather than crying for what you don't have. So basically we are focusing on things that we don't have rather than things that we have. Now I'm not telling you that don't aspire for bigger goals, or don't have any desires or something. What I mean to tell you is feel content for what you have and aspire for more. But just by feeling grateful for whatever you have does make a huge difference. So make sure that you start your day with the feeling of gratitude towards the things that you already have, and it's completely going to shift your mindset towards everything about your life. And second thing that I learned is we are all immortal. We are here on the earth for a short span of time, and we are here to experience life in the form of human body. We are not here to fit ourselves in the way society defined us, or it defines success or marriage or social status or any sort of such thing. We are simply here to experience life in a beautiful way. So do whatever makes you feel happy. you know Dream big and feel that it can happen, and believe in yourself, and do whatever damn thing makes you feel happy. Do not take your decision based on what other people think about it, or how your parents will see to it, or any sort of such thing, because believe me, when you are at the age of 60 and you look back, you will have a lot of regrets that you didn't take decisions in your life just because what other people will think about it, and now you have only few years to live. So next time whenever you have a good time, make sure that you squeeze the joy and happiness out of it. And if you have a bad time, understand that it's going to change, because the only thing that is constant in our life is a change. I think it start creating problem in people's life when people start expecting things to remain same, knowing the fact that it's going to change. We have experienced this thing that none of this thing have ever stayed the same, and we are afraid to see the transition that comes in our life, but we have to understand that life is a series of ups and downs, and we have to be fine with both of them. The way we embrace good moments, we have to do it with the bad moments as well, knowing that it is the process of life, and we always emerges, or we always evolve as a person during our bad times. So don't judge anything and live your life at the fullest way you can, and doing whatever makes you feel happy. So these are the two lessons that I learned during these COVID crises, and I'm sure you must be having your own lessons that must have helped you to evolve as a human. Let me know in the comment section that what kind of experiences you had and what lessons that you have learned from the situation that has helped you to become a better human. Have a beautiful and amazing week ahead.